When performing any pedicure service, it's always really important to look in between the toes to see if there's any excess debris. A lot of times, if there's a senior client and they haven't taken a bath, or if they're not able to get down and clean in between their toes, oftentimes there is excess debris. If they are suffering from any type of fungal issues, sometimes the skin can start to build up and cause irritation and further any type of infections that they may have. So it's really important as a advanced pedicurist to check in between the toes, and if you can, gently remove any type of buildup, debris, or soften any type of calluses that is trapped in between the toes.